learners, this is Engineer Amos. We are still in our physics online class. We have a question before us that has to do with vector, and then we're going to talk about the term vector quantity. If you talk about vector quantity, is actually referring to a term whereby the quantity or the parameter has both magnitude and direction in existence. That means it can be represented in vectorial form. Typical example of a vector quantity is your force, your momentum, your acceleration, and so on and so forth. So I've just given an explanation to that. So I'm moving straight to the second question that has a vectorial diagram here. And if we look at this very well, that means I need to represent this back as a normal triangle where I will use this place as my A, here as my B, here as my C. This is 5 Newton. This is another 5 Newton, while this is 120 degrees. So this is my resultant, which is R. I will be using cosine rule. And if I'm using cosine rule, since this is the unknown representing small letter b, this will be b squared will be equals to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos of b degree. That means this is my small a, this is my small c, and this is my small b. So this will imply that this b is the same thing as what? This resultant. So I can come here straight away. My resultant here will be squared is equals to my small a is 5, I will square. My small c is also 5, I will square. Minus bracket 5, another bracket 5, and then multiply by the cos of 120 degrees. This becomes 25 plus another 25 minus 50 degrees, while this will give me minus 0.5000, and this automatically is giving me 50 minus 50 multiplied by minus 0.5. Minus times minus become plus, so this is going to be 50, and this will be plus 25. Minus times minus, why this multiplied by this is half of this, 25. So this is going to be 7/5. But remember, my resultant here is a square. So all I need to do is I take square root